Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius Placements. This is your general and love reading, the person on your mind. Okay, so this is for the month of July. So tingnan lang natin kung ano bang meron. So, it's like energy check-ins, no? Parang ganyan. So syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. Okay? So, yeah, we do have evil eye protection. So, meron tayong ring. This is adjustable ring, bracelets, isang adjustable and isang garterized. Okay, same po silang unisex. Okay, yung ating garterized is ganyan. Okay, so yung isa naman, yung ating necklace is ganito. This is unisex din. Okay, yung ating necklace. Yan, ganyan siya. Yung kanyang chain is 16 to 18 inches long. Okay, kasama na tong extender. Okay? So, yan siya. Pwede naman pong gamitan ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay? And yung ating bago, newish, the 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay? So, meron siyang citrine stone po. Okay? This is yung parang tinatawag din na merchant stone. So, ginagamit talaga ng mga nagbi-business, yung mga yan, no? So, kasi meron siyang, sabihin nating, money magnet. Oo, parang yun si citrine. Money magnet siya. So, nagdadala ng success, ng energy ng prosperity and abundance, no? So, yeah, hindi lang love, kundi money rin. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? I need your real name. Okay? Your real name, please. Pwede pong ipangregalo. Basta ibigay nyo yung pangalan ng pagreregaluhan po, no? And syempre, gamitan ng evil eye protection para maproteksyonan yung mga pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is ganyan. Okay. This is unisex. Okay? Made to order po ang granter natin, ha. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Tagapag-grant. Okay? Ng inyong mga minamanifest. Kaya po granter, taga-grant siya. Okay? And syempre, tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises. Okay? Weekly. Tandaan nyo po, ha, weekly. Hindi pwedeng walang darating na maganda. Okay po? So, yun si granter. Okay? And tulad ni Love and Money Bracelet, samahan nyo po ng Evil Eye Protection. Okay? Maganda kung meron na kayong available na Evil Eye Protection. Anyway, so yung ating last is yung cord cutting. Oo. So, yung pangtanggal at pangtaboy ng alat. Ng MALAS. Okay po. Siya yung nagtatanggal, siya yung nag-aalis. Okay? Para pumasok ang magandang energy. Yung combo po natin is ito and ito. Okay? So, yun po, ha? So, sa mga nagtatanong kung ano pa ba, may mga iba pang questions, doon po tayo mag-message, okay? Sa atin pong FB page, yung legit, okay? Kasi ang dami pong nagaya, ang dami nakakopya ng ating page. Hindi ko malaman. Okay, doon po mag-message, ha? Huwag po sa comment section. Meron pong nagaya ng aming name, baka mamaya isipin nyo kami yon. Hindi po kami nagre-reply sa comment section tungkol po, no, sa mga pagtatanong nyo sa private reading at sa charms. Okay? Pero kung huntahan yan, pwede kaming makipaghuntahan sa inyo sa comment section. Okay po? Pero, yeah, hanggat maaari, hindi kami na-reply sa comment section. Okay? So, again, let's start a reading for you, Aqua. So, what's for you in general ngayong July? What is for our Aquarius placements in general? So, it's like energy check-ins. Okay? Anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga Aquarius? Let's see. The Ace of Swords in reversed. And the 7. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Some of you, makakakuha ka na specific merong ma-approve. Merong ma-approve in general. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong makukuhang something, a message, clarity, foreclosure, whatsoever. I'm hearing closed, ang tawag dyan, isipin natin, sige. Closed deals. Okay? I'm hearing closed deals ngayong July for you, Aqua. Okay? Some of you, you'll hear a secret or somebody will share their secret, a rumor na pwedeng mapapatunayan whatsoever. Okay? So, yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you, this talking about something in legal. Okay? May chance na may ma-approve or pwedeng may makakapasa, something like that. May mananalo sa kaso ngayong July. Specific. Meron pong hindi a-attend or merong hindi makakapagbigay ng kung ano mang kinakailangan. So, next is the Queen of Pentacles. What's with that? The Six of Wands in reversed. Huwag tayo masyadong mabait ngayong July. Huwag tayo masyadong maging present or available this July. Kasi pwedeng mabaliktad kayo. Imbis na nakatulong na kayo, kayo pa yung masisisi. Okay? That's specific. What's with the Six of Wands in reversed? Death. See? Okay? Baka mamaya yung ginagawa mo, ikaw rin palang mapapahamak. Be careful. May mga taong may inggit sa mga pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Sa'yo. And I think this is like energy ng magandang energy, no? Pagdating sa'yo. So, in general, makakuha ka ng good energies this July. Kasi, ang nakukuha ko is inggit from other people. Okay? Inggit. Sana ako na lang si Aqua. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, yeah, the Tower is here. I don't know. This is talking about something like biglaan. May magandang mangyayari sa mga Aquarius this July. Okay? So, be mindful. Oo. Kung meron kayong mga evil eye protection, gamitin nyo. You have to protect your energy. Araw-araw naman, syempre, pero mas nakikita ko ngayong July, kailangan yung gawin. Okay? What else for Aqua? The Magician in reverse. I told you. This is somebody na pwedeng iba nga marunong pa. Marunong po sa kung ano-ano mang ritual whatsoever. Kailangan yung proteksyonan po yung inyong mga energies, frequencies. The Magician is here in reversed. You don't like that. Some of you don't need to welcome this kind of energy. Okay? What's with this Magician in reversed? The Eight of Pentacles. In general, may mga taong gustong sumabotahe sa'yo ngayong July. Okay, the Page of Pentacles in reversed. Sabotage. Na mag-cause ng delays, pendings. Avoid ninyo na mag-welcome ng mga ganitong energies. Okay? Procrastinations. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Parang magdadala rin sa'yo ng stagnancy. Okay? So, some of you, this could be, related sa workplace. Okay? Pwedeng sa workplace. Yeah, the Two of Swords. Avoid. Avoiding. Okay? Anyway, so there. So next, tingnan natin kung ano ba bang meron. Doon na tayo sa love. Oo. Okay, the person on Aquarius mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, let's see. Diba? Kamusta ang mga Aqua? How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing fine. Okay, so Aquarius. The person on your mind, who is this? Let's check. Okay. The Strength in reversed. Could be a Leo. Some of them, they have anger issues, mga ganyan. Okay, so let's see. What's with the Strength in reversed? The Two of Pentacles. The Juggler. The Juggler. I'm hearing this person is too controlling. They controlled you. They controlled you. And the Eight of Cups universe. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwedeng itong taong to, even though some of you is in separation right now, they can still, no, control you emotionally, mentally. May ganun po sa taong to. And the Five of Pentacles universe. Yeah, I think hindi pa rin kayo totally nagde-detach or nakakapag-detach sa energy ng taong to. They're controller. They are a controller. May chance po na pwedeng gusto nito uunahin yung sarili niya, gusto niya na uunahin mo siya, na pwedeng nagkokos ng pendings or delays sa part mo. They're too controlling. Okay? So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? The Tower in reverse. The Ace of Swords. Hindi marunong umako to eh. Kung ano man, some of them nakakompromiso. Okay? Nakakompromiso. Eight of Pentacles universe. Some of them, pwedeng wala silang work sa ngayon. Okay? So, they're trying to avoid conversation with you. Or try to avoid conversation with this person. May chance siguro na magpaparamdam itong taong to. Okay? So, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion for you. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Justice in reversed. Itong taong to, hindi to magpapatalo. Okay? Hindi siya magpapatalo. Siya yung taong sabihin natin kahit nakagawa siya ng kung ano mang masama, andun yung andun yung parang hindi siya papatalo, like ikaw din may kasalanan, parang ganon. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles is here. This person, hindi sila marunong mag-commit, they have commitment issues, no? So, emotion, the Justice universe, some of you meron silang inggit sa'yo sa ngayon. I don't know why. This could be you, the Ace of Swords universe. May chance na pwedeng hindi mo na siya kinakausap ngayon. Or pwedeng tinalikuran mo. Okay? Now, nandyan yung galit, nandyan yung inggit ng tao. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pwede kasing may mga nagagawa ka na hindi niya magawa ngayon. Okay? Na pwedeng hindi ka na niya nakokontrol. I don't know, some of you kinontrol ka ng taong to kasi alam niya na mas magaling ka sa kanya, mga ganong bagay. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups in reversed, the Chariot in reversed. Well, yung energy is like sayang. Okay? Ganun yung naririnig ko sa tao. It's like sayang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay? Hindi ko alam. Kanya-kanyang issue yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinanghuhugutan ng salitang bakit. Okay? Nung taong to. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwedeng, yun nga, hindi rin nagiging okay yung situation niya sa ngayon. Lalo na, kung kayo ay magkahiwalay. Some of you, nagagalit siya. Nagagalit siya sa sarili. Nagagalit siya sa sitwasyon. Nagagalit siya kahit kanino. Yeah. Unang-una is strength in reversed. May chance na pwedeng, meron nga siyang anger issue. Parang mga ganyan bagay. Lahat na is sinisi. Parang ganon. Too toxic. Anyway, let's see. Who else? Oh, the person on Aquarius mind. Who else? Sino pa? Ano pang meron? The person on your mind, Aqua. Who is this? The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, the missed opportunity. The missed opportunity. The Eight of Pentacles. This could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Gusto ka nito. Yeah, the Three of Cups. I don't know. There could be energy of third party involved. Ito yung parang hindi niya nakuha ikaw. Gusto ka niya. Kaya niyang ilaban to. Gusto niyang ilaban ka. Parang ganun. The Five of Wands, the Ace of Wands. Gusto ko ilaban ito. Sino ba talaga to? Anong meron sa kanya? Judgment. Could be a Scorpio. Yeah, gusto nitong taong to na magkaroon muli kayo ng another chance. So, may chance po na may nangyaring fallout or hiwalayan sa inyo. Okay? Parang siya yung gusto palagi na gagawa ng paraan para magkabalikan kayo. Okay? So, anong situation? Anong kailangan mo malaman sitwasyon? The Eight of Cups. And the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Ayaw na nito ng hiwalayan. Ayaw na niya ng distansya sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Hindi niya kaya. Idadrop na niya yung salitang separation. So, gusto makipagbalikan ng taong to. We have here the Judgment. So, what is their emotion? Let's see. Their emotion for you. The Six of Pentacles. Yeah, gusto talaga na makipagbalikan itong taong to. Pagbibigyan mo ba, Aqua? Ang lakas ng earth sign dito. Counting water at merong Scorpio. Okay, don't get too hang up. Pagdating sa ating mga nababanggit na zodiac sign, this could be any sign anyway. So, let's see. What is their next action? The Sun in reversed. The Four of Wands in reversed. The Queen of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. So, there's plans. Pagdating po, okay, it's like bahala na si Batman. Oo, si Batman na naman ang bahala. Ang nakukuha ko dito is gusto niya makipagayos. Okay? Tungkol dyan sa separation, this is separation. Kahit anong mangyari, kung ano man ang mangyari, gagawa ko ng paraan. Kung ano man ang maging resulta, gagawin ko to. So, makikipagbalikan sa'yo to, Aqua, kung sino man to. They need you. Okay? So, yun nga, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. It's like sabihin natin yung energy is a missed opportunity. Ayaw nila yun. So, gagawa sila ng paraan. Okay? The Fool. Yeah. Risky. Bahala na. The Fool. So, yun po, no? Okay? So, the Six of Wands. They want the Six of Wands. They want success. They want victory with you. Parang ganyan. Hindi nila kaya na mawala ka whatsoever. So, here they come with their love offer. Again. Okay? So, pakikipagbalikan this July. So, okay. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're thinking of you. Taurus, they're attracted. Gemini, they have commitment issues. Cancer, you're like a burden, okay? Parang nasa sa loob ka pa rin ni Cancer. So, Leo, they're seeing failures with you. Virgo, emotionally, sabihin nating hindi invested or not open or not available, pero they like you, I think. Libra, ayaw nila na parang may stuck. Okay? Scorpio, they want forever with you. I think they want forever. Sagittarius, one-sided. Yeah. Some of you, iniisip ka ni Sagittarius. Capricorn, here they come. They need you. They like you. I think they want you. Yeah, this Knight of Cups, they want you. Pero emotionally hindi pa ganon ka-open yung Capricorn. So Aquarius, they're stuck, feeling stuck. Silent. Pisces, they're intimidated, feeling intimidated. Or hindi sila ganon ka, sabihin natin, andun yung word na hindi sila ganon ka-independent. Or yeah, the Emperor is here. I think hindi sila ganon ka-ready para sa'yo. So, yun yung akin nakikita. Again, don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay, yung ating love letter. So, again, thank you. Goodbye.